Welcome to my channel, where we explore the science behind healthy eating habits. Today's video discusses an important topic: how skipping breakfast can contribute to weight gain. If you often need more time to have breakfast, this video is for you. Before we move on, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click on the bell, and turn on the notifications so you will not miss the new video upload every week. Let's dive in and uncover why breakfast is crucial in maintaining a healthy weight. Reason number 1. Kickstarting your metabolism. Eating breakfast in the morning jumpstarts your metabolism, which is the process by which your body converts food into energy. When you sleep, your metabolism slows down, and having a nutritious breakfast helps rev it up again, allowing your body to efficiently burn calories throughout the day. Reason number 2. Curbing hunger and preventing overeating. Skipping breakfast can leave you feeling famished, leading to intense hunger later in the day. This can result in overeating and making poor food choices. By having a balanced breakfast, you satisfy your hunger and maintain better control over your appetite, reducing the likelihood of consuming excess calories. Transition to a shot of someone discussing the impact on energy levels. Reason number 3. Boosting energy and productivity. Breakfast provides essential nutrients and carbohydrates that fuel your body and brain. A nutritious morning meal can enhance your energy levels, improve mental clarity, and boost productivity throughout the day. Without breakfast, you may experience sluggishness, difficulty concentrating, and decreased performance. Reason number 4. Meeting nutritional needs. Breakfast is an excellent opportunity to kickstart your daily nutrient intake. By including a variety of wholesome foods such as fruits, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats, you ensure that your body receives essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Skipping breakfast means missing out on these vital nutrients, which are crucial for overall health and weight management. Reason number 5. Regulating blood sugar levels. Eating a balanced breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar levels, especially after an overnight fast. When you skip breakfast, your body may experience blood sugar fluctuations, leading to cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods to compensate. This can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing conditions like insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Reason number 6. Enhancing metabolic health. Studies have shown that regular breakfast consumption is associated with better metabolic health. It can help improve insulin sensitivity, promote healthy cholesterol levels, and lower the risk of metabolic disorders. By starting your day with a balanced breakfast, you set the stage for optimal metabolic function. Now that we understand the importance of breakfast for weight management, let's explore some quick and nutritious breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Idea number 1. Nutrient-packed smoothie. Blend together a combination of fruits, leafy greens, a protein source like Greek yogurt or protein powder, and a healthy fat like almond butter or flax seeds. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also provides a range of essential nutrients to fuel your morning. Idea number 2. Fiber-rich oatmeal. Prepare a bowl of oats topped with your favorite fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Oatmeal is a satisfying and nutrient-dense choice that provides fiber, complex carbohydrates, and antioxidants to keep you feeling full and energized. Planning ahead. Meal prepping. If time is a challenge in the morning, consider meal prepping your breakfasts. Prepare overnight oats, egg muffins, or homemade breakfast bars in advance so you can grab them on busy mornings. This ensures you have a nutritious breakfast ready to go, no matter how hectic your schedule. In conclusion, skipping breakfast can disrupt your weight management efforts and impact your overall health. By incorporating a balanced and nutrient-rich breakfast into your daily routine, you provide your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. Remember, breakfast is not a meal to be skipped, but an essential. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notifications for more insights on healthy eating habits. Thank you for watching, and may your mornings be filled with nourishing breakfasts and vibrant well-being.